Come on in. I got something real special for you right now. I know you're gonna love it.
Shall we take off our shoes and shall we both get undressed? I'll meet you on the patio, so we can go get wet. The rain is pouring down. There's not a single soul around. It's time that I held you closer, watching you lose your composure. I can hear you moan when I slide my lips on you, girl. And baby, I can feel you groan when I do what you want me to do, baby. I'll be giving every bit of my love to you. I'll give every drop of my love, yeah, to you. Well, I'll be giving every bit of my love to you. When all of the rain is pouring down, I'll give all my love to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Your eyes up to the sky, your lips open oh so much, the rain running down your thighs. You almost look too good to touch, your hands against the wall, and mine, well, let's just say they're finding hidden treasures in places that'll give you so much pleasure. I can hear you moan when I grind my hips on you, girl. And baby, I can feel you groan when we do what we came here to do, baby. Giving every bit of my love to every little bit. I'll give every drop of my love to you. I'll be giving every bit of my love to you. When all of the rain is pouring down, I'll give all my love to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. All of the rain, girl. Your tender touch has never felt better, and your sweet, sweet lips, they taste so